Hey guys, and welcome back to the ExamRevision YouTube channel. My name is Greta Thornton, and today I'm going to be talking about study planners, how to make them, what they're used for, and why they're so popular. You know, why people use them all the time to study, and how you can use them to plan but also track your studying. So I briefly mentioned this in one of the last videos, you know, to use study planners, and there's actually a few different ways on how to use them, so I will be discussing that in today's video. I hope you enjoy, and let's get right into it. Study planners, they're used for a lot of things. People use them to plan what they're going to study for the day ahead. Other people use them, you know, to track what they've done and look back on what they've studied. I think those are two great things to do because you can kind of lose track of how much you study, and also it's really good to plan your studying and not just rely on what you feel like on the day, because it's really easy to like slip into, you know, just studying like your favorite subjects and you probably wouldn't even realize without a study planner. Yeah, I think these were really helpful when I did my Leaving Cert and Junior Cert, just to kind of give you like a bit of an idea of what you're going to be doing the day ahead. Maybe if you're even just planning out your weekend studying, it might not have to be a whole week, but yeah, I found these really helpful. You know, stick them on your wall, have them anywhere in your school diary, whatever. So the first study planner that I used to use a lot is one that looked like this. It has the time and then Monday to Sunday, and you literally can just put your subjects that you want to do there. And I don't know if you noticed, but on Friday I put a break. You know, not be studying all the time. Like, you're gonna burn out if you're always studying, so it's really important to have breaks as well and incorporate it into your study planner. When I did exams, these were really helpful. When you're using your study planners, it's really important to like be in precise detail about what you're going to be studying. Don't just say a subject. Like, say you want to study English, say you're studying like Romeo and Juliet, English, Romeo and Juliet, essay, or whatever, if you're revising the notes. And I think, you know, you're not just sitting down and be like, okay, I'm going to study English. You're going to sit down, know exactly what chapter and what area you're going to be studying. Because I used to do that, and I used to just write down, okay, I'm going to study maths, and I wouldn't like be specific about what I was going to study. But then I realised it's so much better to be really specific and like pinpoint to what you're actually going to be studying, so like you can't back out of it. I thought they helped a lot, and you know, you can make them really nice, you can put colour on them, you know, make it like all aesthetic. But yeah, honestly, they're so helpful, and I'd really recommend you try it. Even if it's not really your thing, just try it and see if it helps. The next thing is like a table of a study planner isn't your thing. You can always just do like a study to-do list. I've done one out like this, and it's pretty basic. It's the same idea. Pinpoint what you're going to be doing in your study, and you just write it as a list, and then you tick it off as you go. And I think this is a really good one if you're not really into doing out a whole timetable of a study planner. Those are two ways that you can, you know, physically have it. You can also use like a spreadsheet or make like a table on Word or like Google Docs. And as I said before, you can print off a template and then just write it in yourself. But yeah, study planners for Junior Cert and Leaving Cert, I think they're pretty essential, and I think schools should teach you to use them more. While you're making your study planners, you can also check out ExamRevision.ie. This is a grinds website for Junior Cert and Leaving Cert, and here you can access a wide range of subjects from Junior Cert and Leaving Cert, which I think is great that they have both. They're all in one place. They have H1 notes, PowerPoints, videos. They have a free plan. They have a standard plan, which is €20 a month, and a premium plan, which is €30 a month, and you get access to your whole course. And with these H1 videos, you can stop, rewind, and pause, access them any time of the day, 24/7, which I think is amazing because, you know, people have very busy lives. You know, if you sign up to in-person grinds, you might not be able to make it every week, but with these, you know, you can access them any time of the day, whenever it suits you, whenever you sit down to study, with the help of your study planners of when you know to sit down to study and what you're going to be studying. So, you know, while you have your planned out your study, you can log on to ExamRevision and study from that, and it'll really help you out in the long run because it's all simplified and broken down for you in bite-sized chunks. As I said, when you're specific about what you're studying with your study planners, if you're studying English comparative, you can go into the English comparative section in ExamRevision and you can start from there, and it can really help you. So yeah, I think that really ties into study planners, as ExamRevision is really helpful for students out there, and I just really recommend it, guys. If you want to be organised and try to help yourself along the way, you don't want to make studying hard for yourself, that is examrevision.ie, and also go follow their socials, which is ExamRevision. Overall, I think study planners are a great way to get motivated to study, track your studying, and plan out what you're actually studying. It gives you a reason to study a certain topic and, you know, just to finally get it over with. Yeah, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed, and definitely go make a study planner if you haven't already. Don't forget to subscribe to ExamRevision down below. Check them out at examrevision.ie. It's really beneficial for students and I really recommend them. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.